Excited to be back at BMCC for a reunion of students who studied abroad with CIEE in January as part of the Leading Change and Study Abroad grant.
You guys are the first cohort. You were the ones, the first ones. You led the charge for everybody. We were very focused when we worked with CIEE to get the grant, the Leading Change grant, having more male students engage in it. Because our charge is to have 1,000 students go in the next 4 years. And we want to do this in 3 years. So,
a lot of work.
right?
That 1 month that we spend together, like for everybody else here, like we all spend that beautiful time together. These are already like lifelong friendship.
Right.
Just by itself.
Yeah. And yeah, please.
My biggest hope for this was for students to have their experiences, for them to get to kind of re-experience it through each other.
Yeah, it was just a good opportunity to recap our trip with my roommates. You know, we still keep in contact.
After the whole experience in Ghana, it really kind of brought something out in me. I was able to express myself more, and they helped me do that.
The sense of community and the interconnectedness that everybody has over there, it's something that opened my eyes, and now when I'm back in the States, I carry that over here, and so now I'm watching out for my neighbors.
What are you hoping that students take away from the reunion/workshop today?
So I'm hoping that they reflect upon their experiences, and especially as they start to forward plan regarding their careers and any academic goals, that they think long term about the benefits and what were some of those benefits, right? So things that they can speak to more concretely might be the communication skills that they've developed, the need to be flexible to consider other people's points of views, any critical thinking skills that came into play. All of these are transferable and will work well with them regardless of their career paths.
In terms of relevancy to my career, it shows that I'm open to new things. I'm able to put myself in uncomfortable situations, and I'm able to work my way through them.
Seeing how I could put this in my resume, because I did not have this on my resume at all. So yeah, I thought it was an important.
Now I am confident in going into the nursing career, and I have no fears at this time. So yes, shout outs to BMCC and also CIEE for doing this thing. It's amazing. It's an amazing thing that we're doing here.
Now I'm looking at schools that have opportunities, that have study abroad programs. And if it wasn't for CIEE or for the study abroad program, I think I wouldn't have had this itch to learn more. You guys should hire me. Hi, my name is Hashim.
Before this workshop, I was a little bit on the fence of studying abroad again, but after today, I can't wait. I'm gonna sign up for the next program, and I'm truly excited for what country that I'm going to next.